Click on the link below to get price. The Computerized Embroidery Machine, model RBE2235-A12, presents a convenient option for those interested in embroidery, whether for personal projects or small commercial endeavors. With a work area measuring 22 by 35 centimeters, or approximately 8.66 by 13.78 inches, this machine is designed to accommodate a variety of embroidery designs and fabric types, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned users. This embroidery machine integrates modern technology with user-friendly features, allowing for a smoother embroidery experience. One notable characteristic is its computerized interface. The machine offers a range of pre-installed embroidery designs, which can be selected easily through a digital screen. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals who may not have extensive experience in creating their own patterns but still wish to achieve professional-looking results. Additionally, the machine supports USB connectivity, enabling users to upload custom designs directly from their computers. Another appealing aspect of the RBE2235-A12 is its ability to handle various embroidery techniques, including both simple and intricate patterns. This versatility can be appealing, as it allows users to explore different styles without needing multiple machines. The adjustable speed settings further enhance this feature, enabling users to tailor the embroidery process according to the complexity of their designs or their personal comfort level. When it comes to physical usage, the machine is designed with ergonomics in mind. Its layout facilitates easy threading and maintenance, which can help reduce frustration during setup. Furthermore, the machine's compact size makes it suitable for a range of workspaces, from small home offices to larger sewing studios. In terms of construction, the RBE2235-A12 appears to be built with durability in mind, ensuring it can withstand regular use. This sturdiness can be an important factor for those who engage in frequent embroidery projects, as it can contribute to a more reliable performance over time. In summary, the Computerized Embroidery Machine, model RBE2235-A12, offers a combination of technology, versatility, and user-friendly design, making it a noteworthy option for anyone looking to delve into the world of embroidery. Its features support a range of user needs, while its manageable size and straightforward operation can enhance the overall embroidery experience.